Hello, a warm welcome and 1,000 thank yous for clicking on this video. Now the 6x4 board has been replaced with this digital train set. What my son got, because he wants to go digital, it came like this. And it's got a power feed there. That's a British transformer. And he's got that digital Hornby, that's new. He has to read up on that. So we've had to put the board the other way round in the flat, because the 6x4 board went the other way, and now this being just short of 8x4 has got to go the other way round. And now it's turned for the 6x4 board to be put in the bedroom. As I say, he said keep it, that's the analog set, which the board was like a banana, so it needs strengthening. Well, we've got two trains on the track. It is worked off this analog transformer. We have that little centre pulling the DMU dummies. As I said, I know nothing of digital, never had digital before, only analog, but I'm learning quick. My son says, why not have it analog and digital? Well, this is what happens when we turn the power on. Both trains run because both tracks are powered up. So, we've got one analog transformer on at the moment, but that one is sticking there. That's a dummy 37 there, cutting the motor in, but again, whoops, when we turn the power on, it's going the wrong way. The silent or live, everything is live. So, as I said, it's a learning curve for me. We don't have to put on the trains to see what will run on this track, because we have some some big long Dapol EWS wagons, and they were bad on the other. Forgot to change the three-way point there, didn't I? They were bad on the other track. They were bad round there, terrible on the other track. These big 8A wagons, and I ran them last night. I think they're 8A wagons, and they're not very good. So, as I said, I've got no digital locos at the minute, but we'll have to find out which ones is worth putting chips in. Because as I said, some of them don't want an overtop. Rothbury Industries. Let's see if this train will go back onto the next line over the points. Okay. So we'll give it a go, and there it goes. Now we'll just see if it'll go over them points smoothly without derailing. Up it's gone. That's okay. So it has gone over the points. There's no level crossing on this layout. So we might have to put a bridge in or something. So it has gone quite smoothly. I'm quite pleased with that. There's a lot of locomotives to try. Now we'll have to stop the video and change the points. Is that it has gone over them points. All the points is manual. You just have to stretch over and switch them over. As I said, we've got quite a few locos to try out. And the ones that does not run smoothly probably will have to go, or keep them for the analog one. It goes round there. The sun is shining on it now, coming through the window, which looks nice when you've got the sun shining on them. Much better. I think that little square there is for the signal box. Isn't that a little squeaky sound? Right. Now we are going to try it over these points. I'm going to come over. Yes, it's come over there. That's quite good. I'm going to have to switch the points back. I think this bit here is where the station is meant to go. The platform is meant to go in the middle there. There's a three-way point there. It's going to go over there. It's over there, that's nice. We have to change the points back on the other side now. Bit of a squeak there. Now on the inside track, picking up a bit of speed. These Dapol AWS wagons look fantastic. When unboxing them and putting them back, be careful because that little wheel, when you pull it out the box, does pull off. So you should bend the box, try and push it down from the top here, and say when you put it back and try and put the wheel at the back. Now these didn't run, they run smooth, but they need big curves because they just derail, and over the standard points they just come straight off. I tried them on here last night and they're just not very good really on this track. We've got 6 of them. Tried putting weights in them and on the other track, and again we'll give them a go I suppose, but they're not the best of runners unless you've got the massive curves I suppose. Okay, so let's see if it can handle this three-way point in reverse without derailing. So far so good. Aha. Up a little wobble there. Little. Oh, is it going to go? Stick it on that point now. Yeah. Need a bit more power I think. Oh, it's stopped on that point now. Not very good at the moment. No. And now let's have a real legend going down the track, the Flying Scotsman Hornby. I have looked underneath to see a part number on this logo and I can't see one anywhere. So I don't know which one it is or when it was made. It's tender driven. The Flying Scotsman. See what it handles like. So if anybody, please, if you have got any advice, any comments, please leave comments. As I say, we know nothing about digital trains, but if you could leave a comment or give any advice, we'd be most grateful. This is a new learning curve, and any advice would be welcome. So please, if you can give some advice, please do so. Most grateful. So we'll see how we get on. Thank you for watching. Thank you and good night.